What are all values of x for which the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of x over 2 plus x raised to the nth power converges? Notice that this is a geometric series, and so we want x over 2 plus x to be between -1 and 1 in order for the series to converge. Now to solve this, we want to break this up as -1 is less than x over 2 plus x, and x over 2 plus x is less than 1. So we have two separate inequalities, and then we want to find what solution they both have in common. So to do this, we're going to have to add 1 and subtract 1. Get a common denominator, so the common denominator is 2 plus x. And then we're going to add the numerators. X plus x is 2x, so it's 2x plus 2 over 2 plus x. And the x's cancel here. We have -2 over 2 plus x is less than 0. I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to get 0 is less than x plus 1 over 2 plus x. And here I'm going to divide by -2 to get 1 over 2 plus x is greater than 0. So now we're going to draw a number line for each one. Set the numerator equal to 0, that's -1. Set the denominator equal to 0, that's -2. And for this one, it's just -2. We want to test these different regions, so if I plug in, let's say, -3, you get a negative over a negative, so that's positive. Say -1.5, it's negative, and a positive is a negative. And here, let's say 0, positive over positive is positive. Now here, pick a number less than -2, say -3. We have 1 over -1, that is negative. And then pick 0, positive over positive is positive. So we're looking for when both of these inequalities are greater than 0. So for this one, it's greater than 0 for x being between -infinity and -2, and then -1 to infinity. This one is -2 to infinity. So we're going to combine these solutions and see where they intersect. First one, so we're going from -infinity to -2, and then going from -1 to infinity. That's the first solution. Second solution, we're going from -2 to infinity. So clearly they overlap over here. That is where x is greater than -1. And so this is going to be the solution in order for the series to converge.